Hi everybody, today we're using the oven again. We're making a turkey breast in here. It's like a 7.64 pound turkey breast. It's close to Thanksgiving. I will be doing a whole turkey probably probably shortly. But I had this in the freezer, took it out. I'm gonna make a turkey breast in that new Ninja oven, XL oven. We're gonna be making my mom a sandwich for tomorrow, which is I did pick up, I'm cheating. I did pick up the Bell's chicken flavored stuffing. I'm going to be making this, but we're going to be making her a turkey sandwich with stuffing, mayo, and cranberry sauce. Mom loved that. So we'll be bringing that to her tomorrow morning. Well, tomorrow mid-morning, like brunch time, I guess. All right, so let's just get started. So this is the turkey breast that you see in front of you, 7.64 pounds. I'm just going to push that off to the side. I'm just going to do, this is just my usual. I'm just taking a ton of butter. I mean, I am going to break it up just a bit because it's chilly willy in here. As you can tell, I've got my flannels on. I'm going to take probably, you know something, I'm going to just use the rest of this. So there's probably 7 tablespoons of butter. Whoops. You can use more, you can use less. Just do whatever you want to do. And to this, I'm just using this Bell seasoning. It's rosemary, oregano, sage, ginger, marjoram, thyme, and pepper. This is I think this is a New England thing. And I just eyeball this. Woo, it's like powder. This stuff is fantastic. I'm just adding a ton of this. Probably like 1 to 2 tablespoons of this. Whenever I smell that, I think of Thanksgiving. I think of my mom getting up at 5. And this butter is hard. Yeah, definitely a spoon. Or what I could have done, I could melt this butter just a bit, but I'm not going to do that. And all I'm basically doing is you're just making a compound butter with the Bell seasoning. You can use your seasoning of choice. This is what my mom likes, and I'm making this for my mom. And yeah. But if you wanted like a barbecue style, you could put like that applewood smoked stuff into this butter. So that butter is combined with the Bell seasoning or your seasoning of choice. You're going to have to get your hands dirty. You can put gloves on if you want. That's up to you. I am going to, probably not going to season that much down here because there's really no meat down there. So I'm going to take this, flip it over. There we go. What you're going to do is you're just going to, you can take your finger. If you can't get in there, you can use like a knife or something, but usually you can get in with your hand. And you're just peeling the skin away from the meat because that's where we're going to put that butter. And you're just going to take handfuls of that butter. And I just like to put it right in there. Because as it melts, it's going to baste that meat on the inside. It's super that way. Kind of bumpy. Alright, so you can actually, if you wanted to, whoops, you can actually get up under here as well and put more of that butter in here. Which I'm going to. Popped out. Can put some butter in here too. Oh, here we go. Hitting the jackpot here. So I'm going to push this out of the way. We're going to take your roasting pan and I'm just going to grab this turkey breast. Once again, wash your hands. I'm just going to take some of that Bell seasoning and just put it, whoa, that's a bit too much. Put it all over the cavity. I'm just going to put it all over. And I'm just going to take that Bell seasoning and just put it all over the outside of this turkey breast. Just the way my mom did it. I'm just following suit of what she did. And then she would take a couple pats of butter and put it on top. I think there's enough butter there, but I am going to take some avocado oil. Just spray it lightly. Like that. I'm also going to take a little bit of kosher salt and put it on there as well. Now, I am going to take the meter app, or you can take a wireless thermometer or a wired thermometer of your choice, and we're going to put it right into this turkey breast. Let me see if I can put it in right through here. So I want to make sure it's in the meat. Perfect. All right, so I am going to go ahead. Let's open this first. There's a rack on the bottom tray. The splatter screen is in. Go ahead and close it. I'm going to turn it on. And we are going to select function. Where it is. There it is. We're going to go back up. We're going to air roast. And I'm actually going to turn this down. Turning it down to 350. And I'm going to hit start. And right now it's telling us to put the rack on level 3, but I'm not doing that because this is it's a turkey breast. It's big. The time is set for 30 minutes. So I'm actually going to up this to an hour. I haven't done this yet. I don't know how long this turkey breast is going to take in here. So we're just waiting for it to preheat. Once it's preheated, then I'll pop the turkey in there. Then we can set up the meter app. Actually, I can set up the meter app right now. I'm using my old phone. Can you guys see that? Gonna hit, there we go. Tap to set up cook. We're doing poultry. We're doing turkey. We're doing breast. 167. And we're going to start cook. Audio, okay, I must have it off. Yeah, I do. Let me turn it up. All right, so the internal temperature of that turkey right now is 49. The target temp is 167. In the ambient, it must be it's only 66 degrees in the house. And this is going to change as soon as I put it in there. And we're just waiting for that to preheat. As soon as I shut this off, it preheated. Perfect. Place it right in there. So we're just going to, I'm not going to probably check this until 30 minutes. Probably not even going to open it. We're just going to look at it. But we might have to turn it because the fan is blowing. We're just going to play this by ear because this is the first time I'm doing this. All right, so let's see. We have 27 minutes left on the clock. I did want to show you what it looks like. It's browning up nicely. I do want to show you the meter app. Internal temperature is 78, target's 167, and inside there it says it's 296 degrees. So I am going to take a look-see in here. I just want to see if one side gets more brown than the other. I think a little bit it does. So I am going to take this turkey and turn it. Put it over here. I don't know if it's going to make a difference or not, but I just wanted to give that a whirl. Close it up. Has a half hour to go, so it's probably going to take more time, but we'll wait until we get closer to the end time. So I wanted to pop up here early because we do have 7 minutes left on the hour time. Also, the turkey is looking fabulous. I'm not going to open it because according to the meter app, we still have 23 minutes remaining. So what I'm going to do is increase the time. The internal temperature is 118, target is 167, and it's 322 in there. So I'm just going to go ahead, and you can do this while it's running. I'm just going to increase the time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I increased it by 20 minutes, but it says it's going to be done in 22. I just don't want it to give out if the bird is still cooking. So according to on here, we have 2 minutes left, but the meter app is beeping me, saying that we have 5 minutes left. The thing with the meter app is it'll recalculate how long it's going to take. So 20 minutes ago, it was going to take, we would have 2 minutes left, but then it just keeps changing while it's cooking, which is kind of cool because then it'll make sure that it's cooked properly. So what I'm going to do is just add 5 minutes. 1, 2. So to cook this turkey breast, this 7.64 pound turkey breast, it's going to be 1 hour and 25 minutes. When it's done, I'll be back. We're going to take it out. We're going to let it rest, and then we'll do that taste test. The meter app is telling me to remove it from the heat. I just want to show you. It says 18 minutes to rest. So I'm going to go ahead and we're actually going to stop this. And Open it up. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. Holy mackerel, beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Ooh. You put this over on the stove. Oh. Got a little bit of bubbleage there. We are done resting. The meter app says the internal temperature is 167. Skin is nice and crispy. Did you hear that? Of course I gotta try this. Mmm. Good. Now I did save the drippings. I put them in a dish over here. Oh yeah, this is gonna be awesome. Whoops, I can already tell. Oh yeah, baby. Ah, it's moist. Cut off another piece here. Oops. Beautiful. We're going to do that taste test after I have skin test. Mmm, delicious. Mmm. Really good. But this cooked up hour and 25 minutes for a 7.64 pound turkey breast. But look at this. Look at the color. It's beautiful. Mom's gonna love this. Take a taste test. Whoa. The juices are trying to get me. It's super moist. It's super good. You can see all the seasoning on it. Yeah, I'm messy. So your oven will make a fantastic Thanksgiving turkey or just a turkey breast. I just made this. Well, it was in the freezer. I wanted to use it up. So I'm glad I did. Mom will have a nice turkey sandwich tomorrow, and I'm cheating. I know I'm not making my own stuffing, but stay tuned for stuffing too. Getting close to Thanksgiving, people. Thanks everybody for watching, and take care.